Baik. Oh, elok tu. Atau dia. Itulah. Wah, ada buka pelik dah, ada buka pelik. Dah, benar juga. You are to stay here. Di sini. Di sini. Anjing. You are my friend. You blah 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 blah. Kena pakai topi dan dinosaur pula dia. Aduh. Satu lagi mak tahu robot biru merah kita pasti garam merah je kena pati je. Biru kena panah. Kotak. Ayo ambil kotak. Okay. One day. Hah? Takut kenapa? Baby pula tu. You are not ready to. Not ready. Hello.
So it looks like you're getting the hang of it. You know, you haven't overheated and died yet. Manage your power, don't overheat and die. Don't wear the mask for too long, it's not that complicated, it's simple.
Ni robot ni pelak oh.
You know what is complicated? The stupid animatronic that I don't even know what I'm supposed to do with.
Yeah.
My dad's all, fix it up, see if it still works. This thing's older than I am, and I don't get the fucking point of watching it or repairing it. I mean, I feel like it's looking at me, but aside from looking creepy, I don't get it. I don't see the fucking appeal. Sue me.
Yeah. Hello. Abang, okay ke?
I'm sorry. My dad, you know, he owns this dump. So I'm gonna inherit it one day. My expectations, you know. He says you used to be a close family friend until something happened at a pizzeria
Yeah,
before I
but
was even born, I think. I don't suppose you want to tell me about that, do you? I've seen pictures of you from, like, old photo albums. You know, the ones with my brother. Whatever, just do your job so I can go home. Good night, and let me be honest from now on, don't let those things kill you. We both know what they're capable of.
Ori. Ori. Oh, masih lagi. Ori saja. Macam mana Ori? Ori, sa. Abang lagi, santai. Nah, Ori. Orange. Masih jauh. Di belakang kita ke? Ya mungkin. Bedanya masa besar ni. Orange ni apa masuk ni? Salah tak? Oh, masih. Tu air tak suka sejuk. Capai mana? Ya, aku sejak. Hantar dulu. What the heck? Apa tu? Babi lah. Jangan sejuk, jangan sejuk, jangan sejuk. Nasib baik. Tak mau sejuk sangat. Biru ni tak sejuk sangat. Ni masalah batu ni. Dia siapa ya? Dah mula dah berdua robot ni. Siap-siap berdua balik set tadi tu. Dah. Tadi nyok. Lepas siap settle. Kagu yo. Ada nak kena so ada batu perempuan anjing. Lepas siap weh. Sumpah berbuat settle anjing. Dah. Kau tak. Kau tak lah lagi. Yeah, kau nak. Gila bukan main robot. One day. Apa ni? Ayah mana pula dah. Siapa ni? Eh? 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 Oh, bengong aku. Kotak tak diri. Ni robot ni. Satu, dua. Kena hati hati. Ah, tak tahu dia ni.
Man,
Guru
I
hantu
just
ni.
took an edible, like, I don't even know. So let me hurry this up before the high kicks in. I found these old files and Mr. Kennedy had them locked up, and I mean it's just kind of hard to believe, you know. Character being involved in some brutal accident, a lot of
Robot
like
P.
highlighter blocking
Wow, wow,
all this out, but I mean,
Pula-pula.
I guess it's kind of cool to see this thing was involved in a
Biasa
crime,
set
I
lah.
guess. I'm gonna have a lot of questions for old fuck when I get home.
What have we put?
He always dodges my questions about this thing, you know. But with these files, I think I have the upper hand. Am I right? Am I right? Okay, I think I'm getting there. I think I'm getting there. I asked about you too.
Lubang
and I'll be
gerak-gerak,
honest,
tak
he
gerak
said
lagi.
a lot. More than he even says to me normally. Shit, I mean, maybe you should just leave this kid.
Berapa dah siap?
I'm sorry, I'm not feeling great. My stomach hurts, my head hurts.
It's okay.
You really shouldn't be getting high on the job, but who's gonna fire me? My dad. Gonna put a padlock on his door and go to sleep. Good night, Emily. You do Emily stuff.
Dua gerak. Masih. Jauh lagi. Dah boleh dah. Siap. Wow, pakai map. Oi, bodoh. Terima kasih. Lama betul bau robot ni. Pukul 3, santai.